Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a project in Claude AI. Now, at the left side, you have a lot of options. So, here you can see all your recent chats. You can customize artifacts, create projects, or start a new chat. So, just tap on projects. Now, at the right side, tap on new project right here. So, next, a pop up window will appear, and you need to enter your project name. So in here, you can type something like research notes or content ideas. So I'm going to type in content ideas. And just below that, here you need to describe your project, goal, subject, etc. So I need to briefly explain your goal. For example, organize research, ideas, and notes for future content. And once done, tap on create project at the bottom right. And as you can see, your project will instantly appear in the sidebar. So now you can start new chats inside the project. You can upload documents, PDF, or notes. So just tap on this plus icon under files to add files, and you can also add connectors. You can also add instructions to tailor Claude's responses. So in here, you can keep related conversations together and build context over time. So Claude will use your project's info to give more relevant answers. If you want to move existing chats, so say you already have chats you want inside the project. So here's how: open a chat, click on this drop down arrow and tap on add to project. So in here you can search or create a project or choose your consistent project. So choose one and chat move to research note or to your project. And that's it. You've successfully created the project in Claude AI. Now everything is organized, easier to manage, and way more efficient. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.